ignorance is bliss. This statement is not always holds good in our daily life. Hi, welcome back to YouTube channel Dr. Finance with Dilip. In last video regarding tax saving, we saw about different sections for salaried employee where we can save the taxes, and now we are going to see more in depth each section over here. In section 10 we would have reverse tax standard deduction basic exemption of 50,000. Now ATC we would looking in coming slides. Similarly ATD will be looking in depth in the coming slides. We also will be looking into ATG, ATGGC, NPS, where in offline more of the questions were raised on NPS, so I'd be focusing on NPS more in this video. In ATC, basically this will be covered all your EPF, PPF, VPF. VPF means voluntary provident fund, whereas PPF is public provident fund. Our life insurance policy, then national saving certificate, and repayment of home loans. Similarly, we would have also tuition fees and many more in this section. Moving forward, in ATD we generally know that it's only for our health insurance. Here, if we get into more details, we have for health insurance, and it also been divided into citizens and senior citizens. For senior citizens, we have additional 50,000. If your parents is above 60 years of age, then you would have option of 50,000 plus our 25,000. In fact, here the maximum limit will go up to 1 lakh if you are over 60 and both of your parents is above 60 years. Here the catch is we would have taken insurance, but whatever is outpatient department, whichever hospital you go, it doesn't cover under our health insurance. If we are spending some amount on those expenditure which is not covered under OPD or outpatient department, those can be claimed under ATD by submitting our relevant documents. And here we have to have an record of it via online transaction, not via cash. If we are below 60 and our parents are above 60, we would get an exemption until 75,000, and the individual and the parents are above 60, they would have an exemption of around 1 lakh in section 80D. Here in 80G we have two categories like 100% tax deduction and 50% tax deduction. 100% tax deduction is mainly from the government organizations like Prime Minister Welfare Fund, Chief Minister Welfare Fund, and National Defense, and many more has been jotted down here. 50% tax deduction would be Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund, Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund, and other private NGOs like Akshar Patra Foundation by ISKCON Group and many more. Now coming to ATGGC, which most of us are not aware of. This is something we get whenever we transfer the funds to any registered political party, and the political party should be registered under section 29A of Representation of People Act 1951. Here there is no maximum limit, it goes up to your total salary. If you know any political party and if you give donation to them, and if you have proper documents with you, then you can submit for ATGGC, and whatever donation you have provided, it will be 100% tax deductible. Now, what are documents you need if you are claiming under 80 GGC? A proof of donation, then you need the TAN of the political party, and your income tax return should be completed within the specified time. Moving further, most interesting part which most of you are waiting for, it is NPS. In NPS we would have two categories again, like tier 1 and tier 2. Tier 1, you get an additional tax benefit of 50,000 over and above 80C. In tier 1 you can invest up to 2 lakhs, whereas 1.5 lakh is covered under 80C and rest 50,000 will be covered under 80C CD 1B. We have option for partial withdrawal after 10 years. Maximum withdrawal would be 25% of your accumulated corpus. It can be because of the following reasons, like higher education of children, marriage of children, and some other ailments. Now, we would have a lot of questions: what would happen to our money, and can we withdraw NPS on maturity? Basically, the maturity would be after 60 years of your age, completion of 60 years. But if you wish, you can extend up until 70. You would also have option to invest up to 75 years and take the maturity up to 75 years and get the benefit after 75 years. On maturity, we can withdraw 60% of the amount accumulated, whereas 40% has to be converted into annuity plan. Annuity plan is nothing but retirement plans or retirement insurance you should take from any of the recognized insurance provider. It can be like HDFC, Axis, ICICI, and many more, which is available in the market today. Now, next question is, what would happen to the accumulated amount on demise of the particular individual? Here, if you are belonging to private sector, the whole amount can be claimed by your nominee or legal heir, whereas for government employees, they have to purchase an annuity plan mandatorily. Now, we will look into how to register on NPS portal and how the NPS portal looks, what are different options we have in NPS portal. Let us look into NPS portal. I have already opened the NPS website for you guys. This is a registration page. I will provide the link in the description as well. Here we have option to register using our PAN number and Aadhaar card. Similarly, we have like if you have digital log card, you can go ahead with that. Once you choose this tier 1, tier 2 or other radio buttons, we can proceed and generate OTP via your Aadhaar card and go ahead with our registration. Now, I have already logged into the NPS portal for displaying purpose. Let me take you through this. Now, once you log in to NPS portal, the website looks something like this. How to make contribution to NPS account. Once you come to transact online and click on contribute online and proceed, we will move into a new page where you can do the contribution. Now, once you made contribution and all, we have option to look into transaction and holding statement. Let me take you to transaction statement. How does it look? Here I had opened only with tier 1, as tier 1 have only the tax benefit, whereas tier 2 is similar to your mutual fund, and all the benefits like a mutual fund you will get in tier 2, and hence I would not recommend that because it is not used for tax saving purpose. Once I come into transaction statement, we could see what are transaction done for this financial year. Here I have chosen ICICI Prudential Pension Fund for allocation of my funds, and also if you scroll down, you can see I have made around 50,000 investment for this financial year, and what are the how much units I have total in my account. for this financial year. This is a short introduction to NPS. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment in comment section. Now this brings us end of our video, tax saving for salary employee part 2. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share YouTube channel Dr. Finance with Dilip with your friends and family. Bye bye.